Good day everyone, you are welcome to GeoGIS Solution tutorial channel. In this video, I want to show you how to calculate the distance between starting points to common destination. For example, I have these Nigerian states and the centroid of each of the states are indicated in the white rectangles. Now, if people are to travel from each of these points to a common destination. For example, people want to travel from each of these states. Different people are to travel from each of these points to a common destination. So let me label it for clarity purpose. Now, these are different states in Nigeria, and here is the Federal Capital Territory. If people are to travel from different points, that is different states, to Abuja, what will be the distance they will cover from their starting point to the common destinations? So this is very useful in proximity analysis and network analysis as well. So we want to see the distance each people from these various states will travel to this common destination, which is Abuja. So to do that, we are going to use a tool called Near Analysis Tool. So the first thing to do is to open the attributes table of the starting point of each person, which is this state centroid. Open the attributes table. You can see the states each person is coming from. There are X and Y. So we want to see the distance each person will cover. For example, somebody traveling from Abia State coming to Abuja, what will be the distance that he will cover? And then compare it with somebody coming from, example, Bauchi State to the same destination, Abuja. What is the distance that person will cover? Logically, somebody traveling from, let me zoom to there, somebody traveling from this place to this common destination, Abuja, of course, he will cover more distance than somebody just traveling from here to the same destination. But we must quantify the distance. That's what I want to show you in this video. So to do that, come to search and search for near to, or just type near and click on search. It will bring this to near under analysis tool. So let me show you something. The summary of this tool is that it calculates distance and additional proximity information between the input feature and the closest feature in another layer or feature class. So now to use the tool, click on it. Then the input feature, that will be the starting point of each person. So click and select state centroid. So people who are coming from different states. Then the near feature, that will be the common destination. Click here and select the common destination. Then select the measuring units. Then you can also input the search radius, but it's optional. So let's leave it empty and click on OK. So what this one does is that it will calculate the distance between each of these points to the common destination. Yes, it's done. Then come to that very layer that consists the starting point of each person. Right click and open the attributes table. Yes, you can see it has calculated the distance between the starting points of each person to the common destinations. It has calculated it. And if you notice something, the distance between Abuja to Abuja is 0 because it's starting from the same point. So that's why it's 0 here. But it has measured the distance between the starting points of each state to the common destinations. And that is what it's measured here as near distance. So this is very useful in proximity analysis when you are calculating the distance between starting points and common destination. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.